Haven't been on my bike for a long time. A little rusty. Can't see squat with the leaves. We have the new GoPro Hero 11 on my chest, and we have the GoPro Hero 11 on my helmet mini right below the visor. Biking is one of those things you have to keep on doing or you lose everything. And on my bike in a few weeks now. Jesus.
A few moments later.
SuperDelite Mountain by Riese and Müller. This is my end of year upgrades video, starting from the top. DEITY high-rise 80mm handlebars for better reach for me. REVGRIPS large with blue end caps to match the Fox. Heart rate monitor Polar Pro, linked up, synced up. Very nice bell. Fox Float X Factory upgrade shock. Fidlock magnetic water bottle with 4 attachments. One there on top where the lock was, and on both sides. I also have it, so if I really want to, I can have 4 Hope 155 E-cranks for Gen 4, called EBike Hope 155s with Hope. Flat pedals in blue to match the blue accents in Rohloff. Main reason why I love this bike. SKS blade in the back. This bike came with the rear rack, which I do like. Stock seat with dropper. Upgrades that done so far in 2022. November is starting to get cold. Gates belt. The view of the Fox Float X. Hope pedals. Go with the EBike Hope Bosch 155 cranks. All blue accents. Blue. Blue. blue end caps on the Fox fork 36. Blue cap on the Fox Float X shock. Blue pedals. And little blue accent on the tires. This does not fall off. Magnetic Fidlock. Hasn't fell off yet. Riese and Müller SuperDelite mounted. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm going to go right down to sale, and I have the new GoPro Hero 11 Mini. We have the GoPro Hero 11 Mini attached to the helmet on the underside. It's an e-bike specific helmet by Specialized. I couldn't wait for this to come out. The Hero 11 Mini goes right below the visor. First time using it, so hopefully get some pretty cool angles. And then I have the GoPro Hero 11 on a chesty mount. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. It's the end of the season, but Hero 11 Black Mini on the Specialized helmet should be really cool footage. Little BTS footage of my Sony FX3. I have a Sennheiser G4 FX3 with a 14-24 Sigma lens. MixPre 3 Anton Bauer Titan bass. You can see the audio right there. And what I do is I hit record and I can see the audio levels here. And if I need to, I just have to hit this on the left, which is the gain. You can adjust it on the right hand side. And if I flick this up, I can see that I have a left to right in channel 1 with a little blue dot, which is called noise assist. It gets rid of background noise. Old school iPhone headset. And FX3 is a really good camera to record with. I just got back from Toronto. Just wanted to bring this camera out for the end of the year video. And that's about it. Any questions? Going down this a little scary with all the leaves. It'd be slippery. Have the new Hope pedals on, 155 in blue. Nice having the Hope in cranks and pedals. As soon as I get the homage back, I'll try to do some rides before it gets too cold. Have the Hero 11 Mini on my helmet, which I couldn't wait to get. stock's pretty quick. Just want to get a little light. I didn't go out yesterday because it's windy and cold. It's just cold now. Lots of leaves. I used when I went around a berm, put my inside pedal down. Instead of being flat, going over roots and rocks. Pretty dark out. Hopefully the footage looks good. Oh, wrong one. Oh, I got one. Okay. Inside pedal up. One finger braking. Hopefully, I didn't have that before. Haven't ridden the bike for a few weeks now. Away, Toronto. To the end.